Do you want to build AI-based business in pharmaceutical industry? Do you want to know how big is the opportunity in pharmaceutical industry by using AI technology? If you are looking for answer to these questions, so then this is the tutorial for you. Today I'm going to talk about the business development strategy for artificial intelligence in pharmaceutical industry. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel where I share various tips, tutorial ideas, strategies, business plans for various healthcare businesses and the marketing ideas for them. So my name is Dr. Nitin, and let's get started with today's topic because today's topic is going to be very detailed. So you can watch this till the end. I hope this will be very useful and insightful for you. So let's talk about artificial intelligence in pharmaceutical market. So uh, do you know how big is the global artificial intelligence market in pharmaceutical industry? It is expected to reach about 7,000 million USD by the year 2029, and it is expected to grow at a rate of 31%. That's a very huge, big market, my dear friends. And if you are somebody who is excited about use of artificial technology, then this is the way how you should move forward. So let's talk at the beginning about the top players who are already in the race for this market and who are working towards it hard, very hard. So one is the GNS Healthcare, Atomwise, Bayer, Cloud Pharmaceuticals, Recursion Pharmaceutical, AstraZeneca, Cetalpi, Microsoft. Yes, my dear friends, Microsoft is also into this race, who is not a pharmaceutical company, but they are into technology. They are using AI technology. So that's why they have also jumped into this race. We have Novartis, Nvidia, another non-pharmaceutical strong player who is contending for capturing this market. So if you want to jump into this wagon, jump it now before it's too late for you. We have Pfizer, IBM, Watson, and Merck. So these are some of the top players. There are many more players at the global level, but you need to figure out where do you fit and how you can distinguish yourself from your competitors. If you want to distinguish yourself from the competitors and you want to capture a pie of this huge market, then watch this video till the end. So let's understand this market segmentation, which will further give you clarity, like how you can grow in this market. So let's understand this market by the use of application. So this can be used in drug delivery, drug discovery, precision medicine, medical imaging, diagnostic research, drug development, clinical trials, personalized medicine, biomarker discovery, predictive analysis, virtual screening, drug repositioning, patient stratification, drug safety and pharmacovigilance, genomic analysis, radiomics, chemoinformatics, and real-world evidence analysis. Yes, my dear friends, these are the various opportunities just by application of AI in pharmaceutical industry. I have right now, I won't be able to cover all those in details, but if you want to know about individual application, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely create a detailed tutorial on your question or your request, but you need to ask that in the comment section. Then this market can be also segmented by the technology, by machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning, computer vision, predictive analysis, speech recognition, image recognition, cognitive computing, robotic process automation, neural networks, reinforcement learning, and data mining. Yes, my dear friend, this is a very huge opportunity for somebody who is looking to build their career into artificial intelligence in pharmaceutical industry. By offering, it can be segmented into hardware-based market, software services, integration services, maintenance and support, consulting services, data storage and management solutions, analytics and reporting tools. This is a very huge and diverse market. And by deployment, majorly you can categorize into cloud-based, on-premises, or a hybrid combination of these things, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. These are various deployment opportunities where you can capture in. By region, it is spread across all the major continents across the globe. You need to figure out where do you want to grow and develop your business. Then let's move to the some of the key driving factors. What are the factors which will be helpful or in favor of development of business in artificial intelligence in pharmaceutical industry? So the key drivers are increased efficiency in drug discovery process. It is one of the key drivers. Then there is a accelerated drug development process demand for this because of the demand is increasing day by day. There is a huge scope for precision medicine advancements, and because of enhanced diagnostic capabilities, people are more inclined towards use of AI in pharmaceutical industry. Then this advanced predictive analytics is definitely going to be supportive. Then there are various robots, data management and integration services and providers available, which are definitely going to helpful and supporting in developing this kind of solutions, AI solutions for pharmaceutical industry. Then cost reduction and resource optimization. All the major players are looking forward to reducing this cost and utilizing their resources optimally. So this is one of the key drivers. And there is obviously a rising demand for personalized healthcare, because of which the current pharmaceutical industry is unable to cater those requirements. And that's why there is a need for use of AI. And obviously, there is huge development in the area of AI, artificial intelligence, and because of this, all the major players are significantly adopting this AI technology and AI platforms in their drug development process. The for which the driver itself has been the technological advancement in AI in past few years, and obviously because of which there has been increased funding for AI, and again AI is going to develop further because of this increased funding. And obviously there has been very positive regulatory support from the various regulators in developing AI solutions and AI applications. And because of this day by day increasing complexity of biological data analysis, which is going beyond the existing human capacity and existing technological solutions. So that's why there is a need for use of this artificial intelligence technology in developing various pharmaceutical solutions in pharmaceutical industry. However, though there are so many positive and supportive factors, there are few concerns and challenges which needs to be addressed while building this kind of businesses and solutions in pharmaceutical industry. Data privacy and security has been a debate for last few decades, and it has to be solved even when we are adopting this AI technology. Lack of standardization of data due to involvement of multi-stakeholders is going to be one of the challenge for AI and this kind of businesses. Obviously, with the integration with the existing system can be challenges because those are not developed into AI systems. But however, with the increasing adoption for AI technology, in future we will definitely see this kind of adoption happening. Uh, I was speaking with one of my friends, and he told me about there have been various. The technology has been evolved so much that it has now become much more easier to build that interoperability, and because of that interoperability, there has been more adoption in the technology, even at the doctors levels and other stakeholders level and pharmaceutical major stakeholders. So apart from this, regulatory compliance can be challenges because this AI field is something new for regulators, and they are still trying to understand and digest what could be the challenges or complications which can happen in pharmaceutical industry due to this AI. So there might be some more stricter rules and regulations from the regulators. Uh, as this is a very advanced technology, obviously there are going to be some high initial implementation cost and development cost. But looking at the huge market size, definitely many players are going to jump into this market, and they will look forward to get hold of the market as soon as possible. And apart from this, one of the key limitation is has been shortage of skilled AI talent in proportion to the demand, because relatively AI is new for from the employee perspective, and the skilled talent is yet to develop. There are few skilled experts, but the shortage is in the supply is not in proportion with the demand. That's why there is shortage of skilled AI talent. And apart from this, we need to look at the aspects of ethical and some bias related concerns with different AI models, because these are written by the humans, and how they are written, that's a matter of debate. And because of that, there might be some ethical concerns which regulator obviously will question and challenge this aspect. Apart from this, the validation and interpretability, uh, how these AI models can be valid. This is something which is going to be a huge challenge. Uh, as I mentioned sometime back, the interoperability can be a concern for now, but in future definitely it will be taken care of because of increasing adoption and increasing acceptance of this technology across the pharmaceutical industry. There has been seen a smaller resistance to change in traditional processes, but eventually as the technology evolves and it becomes more simpler, more affordable, definitely people will be ready to jump in and capture hold of this opportunity. So that's why you need to make sure that you have that first mover advantage in this very highly competitive and this huge market. Uh, so apart from this, the complexity of real world implementation can be a challenge, because uh, the data that we are getting has to be more relevant for the real world population rather than just the technical models. So that's why that could be a complexity, looking at the diverse population, the diverse genetics, and the regional variation, ethnic variation will definitely play a role in developing this kind of solutions. Mm. Then there has to be continuous updation and training related to the models and the staff and the employee force, uh, even for the patients, even for the different stakeholders, the developers, there has to be this kind of continuous upgradation so that they understand and then they adopt this technology and utilize it optimally. The data quality and accuracy is one of the critical concerns, but with the digital technology and different kind of validations and rules, this can be controlled. But there has to be some manual checks at the beginning, which needs to be developed while the algorithms are still under development. Then the inherent deficiency or challenge with the pharmaceutical industry is that it has a long development and improvement cycles in pharma industry, which itself can be one of the biggest hurdle for developing AI-based solutions in pharmaceutical industry. But looking at the demand and the need for this kind of thing, this kind of solutions, definitely the regulators might show some alternative pathways and different solutions to provide faster approvals for this kind of solutions. So let's now look at the business plan. To my dear friends, if you feel that this video has been useful till now, please give me a thumbs up, press that like button, because when you like, it gives me a support that I'm providing valuable information, because it gives me motivation for doing this kind of research, detailed research, and bring it to you in a more simplified format. I hope for that I deserve one like at least. So let's move to the business plan. Uh, so first, you will need to look at the market research and analysis. You need to figure out what kind of uh, current scenario is there and what kind of forecasting can be done. Then you need to identify who is going to be your target customers, and based on that, you need to design a unique value proposition. You are, and when you are able to figure out your unique value proposition in your solutions, you need to have a strategic partnership built so that you can develop and market your AI solutions for the pharmaceutical industry. Uh, Obviously, there has to be a regulatory challenge uh, for which you need to be compliant. You need to do some internal assessment and maybe then put it to the test of the regulators. So that compliance has to be there. There will not be any exceptions for this regulatory compliance, even though it is unconventional solutions in the pharmaceutical industry. In fact, there will be different sets of uh, regulations that might come into the future, but the basic parameters will always remain the same. Then you need to develop and build a cross-functional team, because this is going to be a team solutions which are based on diverse knowledge. Somebody who is good into pharmaceutical, somebody who is good into AI technology, somebody who is good into regulatory affairs. So it's going to be a combination of different skill set team players, and that is how you can build a relevant and strong team. And then you need to develop these customized solutions, and you need to first implement the prototypes and pilots, and you need to put it to test and validation for the market and your proposed solutions. Then you need to come up with the different pricing plans depending on your target customers and the type of solution that you are providing and the kind of value you are going to deliver to your target customers. So once you are ready with your pricing plan, you need to develop various marketing and sales strategy, and you need to implement those. So as a rule of marketing, you need to take that first mover advantage. And I would suggest that if you want to know various marketing strategies for your solutions, subscribe to this channel where I share various tips, tutorial ideas, strategies, and resources related to marketing of various healthcare products and services and businesses. So please subscribe to this channel. Then, once you are ready with your marketing and sales plans, you need to execute them. And once you have developed a strong uh, traction or revenue in your business, you need to continuously provide a comprehensive training to your internal team and customers, because these are going to be very innovative and new solutions in the traditional market. So that's why you need to provide that comprehensive training. Yeah, but at the same time, you need to make sure of data privacy and any security related concerns, because this whole business is based on the data, and that's why data privacy and security is very crucial for a long sustainable business in this industry. Then you need to monitor and optimize your technology solution for better performance, because once this market is maturing, there will be more and more competitors, and they will definitely come up with various innovative and more advanced technological solutions. So to compete with them, you need to make your solution perform in a better way. And on a customer side, you need to definitely provide ongoing support and maintenance services to all your customers and other stakeholders. So I hope this brief overview was very detailed one, and it has given you some clarity and direction for building your business in AI in pharmaceutical industry. So Let me know in the comment section your thoughts or your questions, or if you have any suggestions. If you have any questions, I'll definitely create detailed tutorial on those individual topics. Till then, this is Dr. Nitin signing out.